Hi. Before going to see the RFID based security system, let me give some knowledge about RFID. And now may some people start deeply thinking about this term RFID. RFID means radio frequency identification. As the name implies that radio frequency identification, this technology uses electromagnetic radio frequency for identification in the limit of electromagnetic spectrum. Generally, this electromagnetic radio frequency is used for identification of person or detection of animals or an object. Today, we are more familiar with this technology. We are seeing this technology in shops, offices, industries, and everywhere in our daily life. Now, we will see the working of RFID. RFID has mainly two parts: RFID reader, RFID tags. RFID reader internally has antenna, transmitter, receiver. The antenna is used to transmit the generated radio frequency signal. The received radio frequency signals are received through receiver by antenna, and both the informations are sent to the microcontroller or computer systems. RFID tags are of three types: active tags, passive tags, semi-passive tags. Active tags are the tags which have their own power to transmit and receive the RF signals. It has its own power to control the chip and circuitry in it. Passive tags are the tags which have no power in it, but they can generate power by the help of electromagnetic radio waves which are sent by the RFID reader. Semi-passive tags are the tags which have power in it, but to transmit the RF signals from it, it rely on the RF of RFID reader. RFID tags contains an antenna, a transponder to transmit and receive the radio frequency signals. As the passive tags do not contain any power, it uses the radio waves which are coming from RFID reader and rectifies it, and it generates power. The generated power is stored in across a capacitor, and this power is used for controller and memory. And the size of an RFID reader may be in a handheld size or it varies. Depending on the radio frequency also, the tag distance also varies. Now it's time to look out our RFID based security system project. This is the circuit diagram of our RFID based security system project. As I said before, every RFID reader is connected to a microcontroller. The RFID reader transmitting pin is connected to the receiving pin of microcontroller. We have dumped C program into the microcontroller using Keel software. Now let's check the working condition of this project. We tried to make our college as our project model. And this is the backside circuitry of our project. It looks little bit clumsy because of heavy connections. To on the microcontroller, we should supply the power to it. So we supply the power from this port. Let's connect it. If anything occurs wrong on the LCD display like this, clicking the reset button in microcontroller makes the program to run from starting. For better vision experience, we turned off the LCD display lighting. So when you look at this front part, this is the RFID reader module, and we used EM18 reader module here, and this is the 16x2 LCD display, and here we used 4x4 keypad, and for an indication purpose we used here a green LED, a buzzer and a red LED. and this is the door. These are the RFID tags. We have given only 3 cards for access and the other 2 cards will be denied. Now let's check the cards. We added double security here. We have to enter the password. We gave a 4-digit password here. We have to show the RFID tag to the RFID reader module. After showing it, we have to enter the password which is correspondent to it. Whenever the password and the RFID tag are correct, then the door opens like this. This is the first example. Now we enter a wrong password for the same card. Remember that we can give any password in the program. For easy rememberness, we gave the password which is on the card. Whenever the password is wrong for the right tag, this thing will happen, and this is the second example. Similarly, the same thing will happen to the other 2 cards also which we have access. Now the last cards which are there here are not given in the program. So these cards will be access denied. Now a question may arise in your mind. How can a inside person can come out? For this problem, we have kept a push button inside it. Whenever the inside person want to come out, he can click the push button and the door opens for certain time and he can come out. Thank you. Hope you enjoy.